Okay, Wonderwall again, 2535. How does he get this rating of 2535? Well, let's just try and play, I don't know, quietly. Take that, I think. I knew he was quite high rated yesterday, but I thought I had a chance in one game. He's very quick, I guess. That's one thing. Could play knight c4 or something. I'll try and stay ahead on the clock. Maybe with some substandard moves. Hopefully I don't get too smashed up. Knight c4, what about just moving the queen here to e2 or f4? So I let him double the pawns. I guess it might be fun. Putting pressure on. Okay, if I play queen h4. Queen h4, I'll try and provoke f6. Actually, the c3 pawn is hanging here. Okay. Knight e5, f6. What about just bishop h6? Right, if he takes, actually I've got f7 if he takes, amazing. Doesn't knight e5, f6, is that possible? Right, he's a minute down on the clock. Okay, but he's very quick yesterday. E6, bishop g5, rook b3, maybe I'll take knight g5. Knight g5 here, there's bishop f6. So how about bishop g5, back to bishop g5 here for a moment. Is knight e5 any good? f6. Knight e5 f6, that's not good, is it? Rook e2, looks as though I haven't got anything here. Let's just double for a moment. Giving him b3 and everything, but although knight e5 f6 or knight g6 for a rook e6, at some point if I double on e6 it could be handy. Friendly knight c3 there anyway. Bishop h6, and take knight f4, queen f4. That rook e5 offering the exchange. Will you take that? He just plays f6. There's rook d5. Hang on, there's rook d5. Pin. I'm just going to try and weaken his king, otherwise I'm totally just busted. Right, he's defending against the pin as well. Bishop h6 here. Is he playing f6 or something? If he plays f6, well, it's better than before. Okay, knight g5. Then I might be threatening something like bishop f8. Bishop g5 for a moment. Go on, take the exchange. What? Okay. Right, I'll play for knight g5 then. Bishop f8. Gain some time there. Aha! He's getting annoyed. Maybe not. But if I get a bishop to f6, this could be dangerous for him. Maybe not. Alright, can I use this h4 and play my queen? Alright, if I use h4, h5, try and get something going there. Oh, it's too late. Probably is already too late. Oops. Can I get my queen on the dark squares or not? Or the c-file? Can't really see it actually. Alright, so g-file, g-file. Get bishop c1, rook g1, or bishop h6. Just rook g1 to start off with. Stop these guys for a moment. He's even protecting a4. Bishop a3 a blockade. For a moment. f8. Okay, it's down to a minute. Wanted to take on a4. What a muppet! What? Oh, queen e5. Hold on. Okay. Now I'm threatening queen a4. Now he's getting dangerously low on time. 50 seconds. Well, he's very, very quick from yesterday, this guy. Rook g5 just to stop the stuff. He can't defend a4 that easily. His tension's gone off there. Surely. He's got rook c2, take king g3, can take on f4 after. But his back row's weak for e8. Can I get onto square like e6? If I get queen d6 in, or f3 for... I have to protect this guy as well. Shield the king just in case. I go back here. Oh, does he get mating in that? Got my queen in. G2's not that harmful. Oh man! You're kidding me! Oh, completely missed that. 15 seconds I got mated. Oh, I missed that check. Oh man, this guy. I don't know. What is it about this guy? He's killing everyone. Oh, he did lose one or two, okay, but he was... I thought I came back there. Oh. Didn't see this. Knight f1. I was just looking at rook g2. I had a minute to think about this. It's just king h3. Knight f1 I can defend. Oh, so silly. Ah, 2 threats. How to factor in both threats? 2. Why did I just see one of them? I saw the harmless one, not the deadly one. Which doesn't help. So there's any checks available to the opponent are going to be dangerous. So just extinguishing that gives me time for a defence here on h2. Otherwise, I'm just dead. It just so happens. Okay, I mean that would have been a good chance. Or would it? I don't know. Something else. Rook c3. Nope. Would have been a good chance. Oh well. Okay. Thanks very much.